Is there anything more frustrating than putting out video after video and not seeing viewers become subscribers on your channel? We've all gone through it. It's never a good feeling, so we definitely want to explore all options for making it as easy and convenient as possible to get viewers to convert to subscribers. Look, I get it. It can really rain on your parade when it feels like you're doing everything you can to put out quality content, put out video after video, and people are just not subscribing to your channel. Let's head into the studio and see if there's something that we might be able to do about that. Hi, it's Dan here with another video to help you grow your channel and develop income around your content. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a subscribe button that's actually embedded in each one of your videos. This can be very powerful and convenient in getting those viewers to not only watch your content, but to subscribe to your channel. You want to find the right viewers for your channel who are interested in your content. And when they determine that they're interested, you want to make sure that you're doing everything you can to help them subscribe to your channel. And the subscribe watermark that you can embed in your videos is a great way to make it really easy for your viewers to subscribe to your channel. Plus, stick around to the end of the video and I'm going to show you how to get your very own custom watermark graphic for your YouTube channel. Content here on Creator Fundamentals is made possible by our sponsors. Today's video is sponsored by Soundstripe. Soundstripe offers thousands of high-quality audio tracks to take your content to the next level. And now Soundstripe has leveled up their service once again. Introducing Soundstripe Video. Soundstripe Video offers over 70,000 HD, 4K, and even 5K video clips to take your content to the next level. And with the introduction of video, Soundstripe now offers music, sound effects, and videos on one convenient platform. And with their curated video playlists, you're now able to find exactly what you're looking for in far less time. And for a limited time, you can use the promo code CreatorCrew to save 20% off your subscription. Now is the time to go pro with Soundstripe. To find the subscribe watermark, we're going to head into YouTube Studio. And if you look at YouTube Studio right now, at least in my neck of the woods, you'll see that the news being promoted is actually about the branding watermark. It will lead you directly to the section that we are going to look at. So you can click try it out and get to this screen that's actually going to show you where you can add your watermark. But if you don't happen to have that in your dashboard, there's another way that you can access this anytime you want to. All right, so looking at your menu on the left side of the screen, you'll see that you have a customize option towards the bottom, right below monetization if you are monetized, and just above the audio library. It's going to be somewhere towards the bottom here. Go ahead and click on that. That is going to bring you to this channel customization section. There's a variety of stuff that you can do in this section. In fact, if you're not familiar with all this, I just recently put out a full tutorial on the YouTube Studio that goes through every one of these options over on the left-hand side and shows you what all these features do and how they can benefit you as a YouTuber. But for now, we want to focus our attention to this top menu here in channel customization, and we're going to click on branding. Now in branding, you have a couple different options here. Your profile picture, where of course you add that profile image, your banner, which is your channel art, and then below it we have video watermark. This is actually where we're going to upload a graphic. You can see here I have a graphic on mine that is designed to look like a call to action to subscribe. You can put any type of graphic in here, but to remind people that the watermark actually serves as an entry point to subscribing to your channel, I think it's a good idea to mention subscribe in some form or fashion on that particular watermark. It allows people to see that as a subscribe button, and when you hover over it, it actually gives you a pop-up subscribe box that shows you the channel name and a subscribe button and allows viewers to become followers of your channel. Now I'm going to remove mine just so you can take a look at what this looks like if you've never added one. You'll see here it just has these little red bars on the bottom and you have the option to upload. All right, so what we want to do here is click on upload. And then we want to browse to an actual subscribe image. Now, if you don't have a subscribe image, you want to make sure that you're not just randomly going out and grabbing an image from somebody else that you may not have rights to. These images are, of course, copyright protected, as is any graphic element that's designed by somebody else. But I wanted to give you an option to be able to get access to a bunch of subscribe watermarks. I actually run a channel called tubetemplates.com. You can see here, this is just part of, I think there's like 50 or 60 different subscribe watermarks you can choose from. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to click the classic red and white option and hit open. You can see that it'll show you these watermarks are pre-set to fit the exact size of this space. They're going to look a little blurry at this size because they are small images. They're designed to appear in the lower right-hand corner of your videos. So it'll be pushed out to these. If you were using a different image, obviously you could resize this, but we're not worried about that. I just clicked off the edge there, so we'll do that again. But then we just click done and you'll see that it appears there. And then you have the option of when this video watermark is going to display. Now you see it says end of video, custom start time, and entire video. As this suggests, this is going to appear towards the end of the video. You'll see here, customize when the watermark is displayed on your videos. You can do custom start time. This is where I usually place it with a start time of 5 seconds. So as your video kicks off, at the 5-second mark, this is going to appear, give people the option to subscribe, or you can just click entire video, which means from start to finish, that watermark is going to be there. So I think this tends to work the best. At least that's my preference. You can do this any way you want to, but custom start time 5 is typically what I will do on all of my channels. So once you do that, it's very important that you go in the upper right-hand corner and you click the publish button. That's what's going to make any changes that you've made here on the branding tab go live. Lower part of the screen, it says changes published. Now you know that that's going to be live on all videos going forward. Now that appears on desktop when people are watching the videos. I do not believe people will see it if they're watching a video via a mobile device, but just know that is an option that's going to let more viewers subscribe in a much more convenient way. Now I mentioned I wanted to give you the option to get your very own subscribe watermark, and I also mentioned that I've created a site called Tube Templates, which is affordable YouTube graphics for you as a creator. What I want to do though is not just send you over to the site. I want to allow you to get one of those subscribe watermarks at an excellent price. So I'm going to put a promo code sub199 that allows you to get a discount on those. Regularly $4.95, you can get them for $1.99 each. So head over to tubetemplates.com or just click on the link in the description below and you will be able to see a wide variety of subscribe watermarks. We have them for a variety of channel topics, whether it's gaming or beauty or any topic out there. There is a variety that you can choose from. And hey, if you have a topic on your channel that you're not able to find on tubetemplates.com, definitely let me know in the comments and I will do my best to get some new designs up there specific to your niche. And hey, as I mentioned earlier, there are a variety of features that you should be aware of and know how everything works here in the YouTube studio. So I want to put a video on screen now that shows you the full 2021 YouTube Studio tutorial so you can learn how everything works and how you can use it to your advantage as a YouTuber. And hey, that circle below me is a subscribe button as well. Hover over it, click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.